Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano energies for you ngayong June 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book for a reading directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description. Okay. Let's begin. Libra. What is the energy for Libra this time? For June 2026, Libra. Relax. Oh, sarap naman ito. Relax. It's time to relax, Libra. Huwag kayo masyado mag-overthink. Hindi kayo mag-overthink ngayong June. Or you will find time to disconnect, to recharge, and chill ngayong June. You will also preparing yourself. You will also prepare yourself to take action and create. Number 33 is about creation. You are creating something. Parang bumubuelo ka rito. Make a wish? Oh my God. Make a wish. Ano yung wish ninyo? I-wish nyo na ngayon, 11/11. If you see 11/11 most of the time during June 2026, ngayong June 2026, it's a sign your wish is coming true. Okay? Keep manifesting. And of course, take action. Huwag ka masyadong magpa-attach doon sa minamanifest mo. Just do your thing. Take action. Whatever that is. And release. Relax. Kasi mapapasayo yan. Siyempre, dapat wala nang ill intentions, diba? Okay, let's see your overall energy. What's the overall energy for Libra? June. King of Swords o Authority. This is your energy kasi air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You will step into your own power. Ang cliche, diba? But I think mas mag-set ka ng boundaries, no? Hindi mo nahahayaan na yung ibang tao will take advantage of you just because you want to make peace with everyone. You know your worth. And then, meron kang strategies this time. Parang meron kang pinag-iisipan, pinag-aaralan. You may be trying a new career or maybe a business, but mas maingat ka sa pagsisimula. Now, your challenge is the King of Wands. Natural leader. Okay. As a challenge, ito kasi ay yung actions na gagawin mo. Diba? Kasi Wands is about, actions. The passion. Pwedeng meron kang challenging situation with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay? Ito lang, kasi ang magiging kalaban mo dyan, yung procrastination. Yung tipong kaka-overthink mo, hindi mo na nagagawa yung plano mo. Parang masyado ka na lang ding relax. Kaya siguro may relax energy rito, no? Na, sabi nga, parang yung syempre alam niyo na yung alamat ng alamat nung kuneho, tsaka nung, diba? Nung turtle, na nagpaka-relax yung rabbit. Dahil alam niya na yung turtle ba o tortoise? Basta yung pagong, mabagal siya maglakad. Masyado siya naging kampante. Di nanalo yung yung pagong, naunahan pa rin siya. 'Di ba? So, ito yung kailangan yung bantayan. Kasi minsan masyado ka nagiging strategic. Tapos, kinukulang sa action. That's why you need to take action. Siyempre, well calculated pa rin yan. Now, the opportunity is the Knight of Cups. water sign. Puro mga tao to. Baka, Libra ngayong June, baka maraming mga, mga taong makakasalamuha ka. The Knight of Cups is, kung single ka, pwedeng merong person na darating sa buhay mo, romantic connection. Some of you, this can be an offer sa job, trabaho, offer of opportunities na magugustuhan mo. Now, your blessing is the Three of Pentacles, which is about collaboration, working with others. Mars in Capricorn. So, you are going to get things done. Oh, Mars, action yan, di ba? Oh, Capricorn energy, this is about your framework. This is about your goals. Are you aligned to your goals? Are you doing the things that you need to do? Diba? So, you will be blessed with opportunities na magbubukas sa'yo. Pwedeng may mga contracts. Oh, may offer. Diba? Okay, ano pa? This is also about expansion. So, pwedeng may blessings of expansion sa career, sa business. Wow! Oh, prosperity. This really makes sense with your blessings. May abundance. May paglago. O, diba? Kasasabi ko ng paglago, biglang growth talaga. Literal. O, diba? Part of your growth is the prosperity na may experience ninyo ngayong June. And of course, hindi lang naman to yung bigla na lang darating sa'yo na wala kang ginagawa. You still need to take action. Diba? You need to study. Maaring meron kang pag-aaralan, bagong kaalaman, bagong abilities, bagong techniques. Pwede tong sa school, pwedeng sa mga organization, institution, or self-study. Diba? Napaka-importante that you are also adding, may ina-add ka na knowledge. Kasi hindi naman natatapos ang pag-aaral sa school. Continuous yan dapat. Ano man yung, path na tinatahak mo. Uy, justice is coming. So, some of you, kung ano man tong parang hinihintay ninyo na katarungan, matatanggap nyo na. Marireceive nyo na what you really deserve. Okay? Kung inisip nyo bakit parang walang nangyari, hindi nyo nakuha yung dinideserve nyo, this time around ngayong June, you will get the justice that you need. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.